Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out. Here is everything you need to make a mean green juice. We've got several leaves of kale, cucumber, celery, green apple, ginger, and lemon. And the first thing you want to do is cut these fruits and vegetables down to size. They won't fit in the juicer if they're not proportioned right. And this cucumber is way too big for the juicer, so we're going to cut it in half and half and half again. Now the same thing is going to go for this lemon. Now it's going to be completely up to your taste, but you might want to consider using only half of the lemon for this recipe. Personally, I like the whole thing when they're small. Same thing here for these apples. Cut these in half and in half again so they'll fit. Now we're ready for the juicer. Now the machine I'm using has an auger in it, and it's a lot like a meat grinder, and I find that it separates the pulp from the juice a lot better than standard machines. Just flip it on here. You can see the auger spinning, so we'll start dropping in our celery stalks. And this thing will start squeezing out every bit of juice it can get out of each one. Now we'll start adding in the kale, and I usually start with the stem first, and kale leaves can be a little dry, so they're a little bit stubborn to get through, so you want to push them, and force them to go. They're even known to make some funny, squeaky sounds as they're processing. And they don't give you a lot of juice, but they give you a lot of flavor, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for this drink. Now the ginger, you can just snap in half here. In fact, you might only want to use half of the ginger in this recipe because it's pretty potent, but that'll be up to you as well. And you'll be surprised how much juice you actually get out of one of these roots. But not nearly as much as you'll get out of this cucumber. This is by far the most juice extracting vegetable in this recipe. In fact, this one cucumber will pretty much fill up the rest of this measuring cup. Now we'll add the green apples. And as you can see, we're just about topping this off. But not before we add our last ingredient, the lemon. Again, remember you might only want to add half of this. And that about fills that up to the brim. At least to our last measurement mark. Go ahead and turn this off. And just look at that vibrant green juice. It's beautiful. Check out this pulp. You can see it's not sloppy wet. It's pretty dry. Squeezes out all that juice. And at 700 milliliters, that's almost a full bottle of wine. But you want to be sure to give this a good stir. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And there you have it, a mean green juice right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.